How to use PrimaryKeyRelatedField to update categories on a many-to-many relationship. The django-rest-framework has a PrimaryKeyRelatedField which lists IDs on my many-to-many relationship with categories. I would like to override the create, get a lot of posted IDs, traditionally DRF wants me to send URLs, on the categories field. JSON post. Serializer create. The issue I have is categories will be empty above, I assume because PrimaryKeyRelatedField is set to read _only equals true, but this has to be true on according to DRF. My question is, how to use PrimaryKeyRelatedField with validated _data.pop to get a list of IDs I submitted. I could use self.context.get, request.data, categories, but this is nasty and requires me to turn it into a list plus other stuff.
For anyone else having this issue, I found a solution that allows PrimaryKeyRelatedField to be read or writable. Just add query set. It will still filter on the correct relationship, which is a bit confusing.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.